I used 4 coats of a product called Flood Penetrating Oil Based Wood Finish, which I purchased from Menards. My assumption was that the wood will absorb whatever it can and reject the rest. I was especially motivated in adding more layers due to the fact that each layer added a final finished look with a darker tone, compared to the initial orange-like finish. The result was a sticky-to-the-feel deck, which might have dried after a season or 2, but I was not able to accept this theory and wanted to finish it. My low-pressure power washer, gently scrubbing and waxing attempts failed, and the deck was still sticky. At this point, I understood that I need to restart the process, resand everything to the bone, and apply a darker tone. I found a great product called Penofin, and chose a tone called Sable. This oil is incredible. Doesn't leave any lap marks, which are visible lines showing the border where you decided to take a break instead of finishing painting the entire board. In other words, I stopped oiling a board halfway, came back to it after 5 minutes, and there was a continuous oil, as if I never stopped working on it. By the way, if anyone is wondering, the deck boards I have are treated pine and the deck is around 2 years old. I will apply this oil twice a year, for the wood to look rich and healthy. It took me less than an hour to apply it on my 700 square feet deck. Another problem that I faced during this process is how to paint between the boards. I used a brush in my previous 4-coat tedious experiment, but the tool that you see me using can be rotated and used between the boards. Time taken. With the sander rental and excluding the previous 4-layer process, around 5 days. Cost, without the tools, around 500, including the rental. And, including the tools that I'm using in this video, around 900.